Are you an occultist or a magician, a witch or a spiritual practitioner, and you're needing clarity around your spiritual journey? Well, I'm your psychic. I'm an international psychic and I have a background in occult sciences and magic. I've helped hundreds of spiritual practitioners, magicians and witches around the world really gain clarity on their spiritual path. Whether it's like you're wanting to complete a big magical rite like the Abramelin, or you're wanting to develop and understand your psychic awareness, or you're simply needing clarity on how to truly come into your gifts and come into alignment with your spirituality, I'm your psychic. In the 60 minutes we spend together, we identify first exactly it is what you want to achieve. Then I tune into you, your energetic light body and your guides, as well as your subconscious mind, and I look at what is blocking you from achieving these things. You will leave with practical and grounded information that will help you elevate your spiritual journey and fully come into alignment with what you're wanting to achieve. I look forward to working with you. Magicians and spiritual practitioners are my favorite people to work with. So come, book a session. Let's get started.